Our seventh all-local cleanup party was also our first all-local cleanup party of 2021. Here at the Kids Park in San Marcos La Laguna in Guatemala. The space was covered in garbage and broken glass. There was no way it was safe for kids to play on. We were excited to clean up this space and offer people many different rewards.
Prizes for finding the most bottle caps. There's a lot of beer bottle caps, so if you find the most of those, you have a prize. Also a prize for the most useful item, or say for example you find a pair of shoes. That's not garbage, that's useful, so that would be a prize. And also the most grossest thing, or the strangest thing. So we found some pretty weird, gross things. You often find dirty diapers and things like that. That's pretty nasty. That could be a prize.
Yeah. Where you're like, well, we're not taking care of the planet and each other. Why should I take care of myself? And I feel that in many ways that's how we got into the state that the world is in today. People tend to only do things if it helps them to survive, but not if it helps them to thrive. And they think, okay, well, in order to thrive, I need to have a lot of money, right? But it's like, well, no, not necessarily. That might help, but what you're looking to is the feeling of being rich, the feeling that you can do anything and prosper and be prosperous right now, no matter what you have, even if you have nothing. Exhale and press on the ball and hold the ball of energy that you've just created. Now this is the same energy that makes up our life force, our light body, our souls, but it even makes up the rocks or the garbage. It's connecting everything together. And if you look at your hands, you might see all these little white spots that have appeared in your hands. Some people have it more active than others. Eventually you'll get it.
Vidrio de un lado, separado, después se va el plástico, aparte de las botellas de plástico, aparte también. ¿Está bueno? Va. Denle pues. Va.
What are you picking up today? Lots and lots of broken glass. Yeah. What do you think about doing this cleanup party here? Yeah, I think it's really important. The children's park is one of the only places in San Marcos that most children have to come and play, and it's almost always covered in broken glass. Broken glass is the worst for me because obviously playing children and broken glass do not go together. Oh, thank you. We're looking for solutions and doing our best to be the solution by doing this. And seeing if we can create a ripple effect here. Yeah, cool. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. You guys having fun at this cleanup party?
Yeah.
What do you think about a clean park, Ginger? Is it better?
Yeah.
So, could you introduce yourselves and tell us about how you heard about this event?
Hi, I'm Nikki. I'm from Germany and I'm currently based in Eagle's Nest, and I just saw it on a San Marcos community group on Facebook. And yeah, have done a couple of trash cleanups previously where I lived and was interested in joining this one as well.
Awesome.
I'm Nima. I'm originally from Iran, but I'm also living in the States. But so the way I heard it the same. I saw the posting on the community page on Facebook, but we also had talked about doing similar events as part of, like, just to contribute back to the community a little bit. And so as soon as we saw it, we were like, perfect, let's just go and do what we had intended to do.
Sweet. What did you think about the event, both of you?
Wow, I mean, I feel safer being here myself, so it just feels really good that you create a safe environment for kids to play what they should do, right? I mean, look at all the trash. Oh my God.
Yeah, there was so much trash, and also interesting to see that there was a lot of scattered glass.
Yeah, it's like a lot of Corona glasses.
Surprisingly,
Yeah.
Corona beer, yeah.
Take a moment and just absorb this muscle memory. Even amount of pressure in your feet. Knees slightly bent. Pelvis still under and forwards. Navel in and up, chest up, crown up. Shoulders back and down with the arms rounding forwardly with the elbows as your tongue touches your upper palate.
For a clean kids park!
Today we united the world firsthand.
Love it.